All right, so if you're a developer, the MERN stack is probably your bread and butter, right? For years, it's been the go-to, the trusted foundation for so many modern web apps. But you know what? The ground is shifting, like right under our feet, and a totally new demand is changing the entire game.
Yeah, just to quickly recap, we're talking about MongoDB, Express.js, React, and Node.js. This combo has been incredible for developers. I mean, building robust, scalable apps all with JavaScript, it's been a dream. But the finish line, well, it's moved. Just having a standard functional app isn't quite going to cut it anymore.
And look, this perfectly captures the shift we're seeing. A developer shared this jam after taking a bunch of client calls. They said the ask isn't just for a MERN project. No, the ask is for a MERN project with generative AI baked right in. The game is absolutely shifting, and man, it is shifting fast.
So this really gets to the heart of this new demand. We're moving way beyond that traditional CRUD model, create, read, update, delete, the basic building blocks of most apps. We are entering an era of truly intelligent applications. So what does that actually mean in practice? Well, think about it. A traditional app, it might have a basic keyword search. You type in blue shoes and you get back blue shoes. Simple enough. But an intelligent app, it gets the semantic meaning. It knows you might also be interested in navy loafers or cyan sneakers. We're moving from just handling data to providing automated insights and super personalized experiences. It's a fundamental upgrade.
Okay, so the big question is, how do you actually do this? How can you take your MERN app and really supercharge it? We're going to look at 3 main ways you can integrate AI to make your application truly intelligent. We've got a pretty clear roadmap here. First up, we'll dive into integrating AI chat features. Then, we're going to level up our search capabilities. And finally, we'll look at building powerful AI copilots right into our dashboards.
First things first, AI chat. This is probably one of the most direct ways you can boost user engagement. By embedding an AI assistant right into your React frontend, you can offer real-time customer support 24/7. And for a SaaS product, this is a total game changer. It gives users proactive help and takes a huge load off your human support teams.
And how does all the plumbing for this work? Well, that's where your Node.js backend comes in. It acts as this crucial, secure bridge. It connects your application to those powerful, large language model APIs, like OpenAI's, and it handles all the prompts, making sure that data exchange is safe and super efficient.
Next up, let's talk smart search. Like we said before, just matching keywords is kind of becoming a thing of the past. Users just expect an app to understand their intent, not just the literal words they're typing. And this is exactly where AI-powered semantic search shines.
And the magic behind this semantic search? It's all about something called vector embeddings. The easiest way to think of these is like numerical fingerprints for your data. They capture the meaning and the context. And by storing these embeddings in a database like MongoDB, you unlock a search that is just incredibly powerful and context-aware. All right, and now for our third and most ambitious method, embedding an AI copilot. Forget simple chatbots. We're talking about an intelligent assistant that's woven directly into the fabric of your application. It's not just there to answer questions. It's there to anticipate needs and automate really complex tasks. Just imagine a dashboard that doesn't just show you data, but actually interprets it for you. It could automatically spit out a report on which users are most likely to leave, spot an unexpected sales trend, or even suggest a whole new marketing campaign based on real-time user behavior. Now that is the power of a copilot.
So this isn't some sci-fi future we're talking about. This is happening right now. Let's look at where these intelligent applications are already being used, because the results are pretty transformative.
So think about EdTech. You've got AI tutors that adapt to each student's unique pace, creating these truly personalized learning journeys. Over in health tech, apps are using AI for preliminary symptom analysis, helping people get the right care faster. And in e-commerce, it's getting wild. Sophisticated AI is going way beyond simple recommendations to actually predict what you want before you even know you want it. Okay, so this all sounds amazing, right? And there's always a but. This evolution is incredibly exciting, but it definitely doesn't come without a new set of challenges that we as developers need to navigate very carefully. So you've really got to be thinking about these 4 big hurdles. First, the cost. How are you going to manage the cost of all those AI API calls? They can add up. Second, data privacy. How do you ensure compliance, especially when you're dealing with sensitive user info? Third, Performance. How are you going to optimize for speed when these models can be so resource-intensive? And finally, the big one, AI hallucinations. How do you handle those moments when the model confidently just gives you the wrong answer?
So what's the bottom line here? The takeaway is crystal clear. The fusion of MERN and AI isn't some far-off thing to think about later. It's here, right now. The new gold standard for a great application is no longer just being functional. The new standard is intelligence.
So as we wrap this up, I'm just going to leave you with this one question to chew on, to think about for your own projects. Your MERN app is functional, and that's awesome. But in this new landscape, is it intelligent?